Hello friends, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm going to make a divine frame and I'm trying to put glow in dark pigments again. It's just a small experiment. Let's see if it comes out good. So this is my glow in dark pigment. I've transferred it in normal container. Along with the glow in dark pigment, I'm going to add some resin shade. I'm choosing pearl white. Let's see if it glows in the dark. Just a small experiment. I hope it's a hit. I've been doing resin art since 7-8 months. And it's an interesting art and creating something is a beautiful thing. Now comes the pouring part. I'm going to pour it in my 6-inch added frame, and this one is from the leftover resin batch. Each time there is some resin left, so I normally put it in my shell planter mold or pendant mold. This was from my glow in dark space bowl. So let's start. Look at the white, the effect of pearl color. This one is a trial. I'll see if this gives a glowing effect to my pendants. When I am going to pour simple, just this one, and we'll see how does it come out. Rest I am pouring it in my frames. Can you see the color, oil color, pulling in between? Looks beautiful. Can you see the pearl effects? Now we wait for 24 hours. Tomorrow again I am coming with my stickers and a top layer. Now we apply our embossed Let's pour the second layer. Now spread it to the all sides of the mold. I would like to thank Mr. Paul from Australia. He's having a wonderful YouTube channel, Paul Stingray. There are some amazing reptiles, aquatic life videos are posted. Do check out the channel, please. I started speaking in my videos just because of his encouragement. Thank you, Mr. Paul. Now we wait for 24 hours so that our top layer is cured fully. After that, we'll go for demoulding. Demoulding time. Let's see if it glows in the dark. Let's paint the borders. divine frame is ready.